ka MTET. Mentang ini page ini questions MTET paper 1. Natu ka child development and pedagogy. Nang ta ka environment ka English ka khasi language bat ka karo. Kat kum ka jingjupap jong u AI. Kan nele se kalaban yaper kat kum ka kot pule ka jong pi. Henreng ini page ya ki jupap ki bau AI ula jupap halor kini ki jingkeli baro. Mentangin page waya kan ga child development and pedagogy. Negi answer ka number way inclusive classroom is best described by a situation where kan answer ka dengan number C. All learners regardless of their abilities or background learn together with appropriate support and equal opportunities. Nang ta ka number R, deafness and hearing are categorized under which type of disability? Sensory disability. Number A. Nang tagab number lai. An elementary school admits children by disabilities into regular classroom expect them to adjust to exits teaching methods without major change. This situation reflects integrated education. So Braille book are especially meant for which group of disabled children? Answer ka number A. Visual impaired. Ang taga number san, the use of inclusive deductive approach of one component which following could teach skill. Numbers answer ka number A. Skill and explaining. Number 2. Which of the following component constitute the constructivist lesson planning? Answer ka number A. Engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Number 9. Which factor does not significantly affect learning of student age 6 to 11? Kana answer ka number C. Student zodiac sign. Nang ta ka number pra. Which of the following is not correct about the learning? Ka answer ka number B. Learning is a product rather than a process. Number 9. A teacher uses group chat and review which learning. Answer ka number C. Visual. Natangin page sa number si Pawadu Arpaw. Which kind of assessment is undertaken at the end of course unit? Ka number D kaya sa summative assessment. Number kedua, why is assessment of learning important? Ka number B kaya sa to identify learning gap and improve instruction. Nota ka number assessment is powerful if B is the answer. It serves as feedback for the student as well as for teacher. Kalai, a teacher uses quiz and classwork to adjust her teaching needs unit. What type of assessment is the teacher using? Kansa kadega number A. Formative assessment. Nata ka number katsaw. In active-based learning, ABL student engage in hands-on tasks to grasp complex concept. Which approach align most which ABL principle? Answer ka number C. Project-based group work, real-world problem. Number katsan. Which change is an example of development? Learning read. Answer ka number B. Learning to read. Number 100. Which stage of development does children thinking become logic and abstract? Logic and abstract kadai adolescent. Nota kanyo. What are the factors that determine children? Ka answer ka number D. Heredity and environment. Katra, which of the following is an example of change and development? Number C. Improve logic reasoning. Kandai, what does cognitive theory of normal development focus on? Moral judgment. Social development in children mainly refers to ability to interact with others, build relationship. Nota number arpuei adu number laipo arpuei what promote emotion development in young children, encourage children to share their feeling. Answer number C. Arpuar name the stage of language development in which the children of 6 to 12 months communicate. Babbling stage. Number B. Answer. Palai development occur from the head downward. This is known as cephalocaudal principle. Ketiga number B. Arpusau. Gender as concept refers to. Answer number D. Social construct that determine role men and women. Son, what can teacher do to promote gender equality in school? Treat boys and girls the same way in classroom. Answer number C. Arpondru. The process of being fair to women and men is also termed as gender equity. Answer number A. Arponyo. Miss Mary teach ke answer number C. Reflective journal. Arpopra. Proposal collection ke answer number B. Portfolio. Nangtar pandai ke answer number B. Researchers distinguish himself herself as a member of group under study. Number laipo ke answer number A. Case study. Nota ke language tu ke English compulsory. The early riser does a large amount of work. Kalau pue ke answer ke number D before other men get up. Nangta ke number laipuar. Morning exercise supplies one with good deal of energy. Answer ke number B. Nangta laipulai. A man who begin his work early has plenty of time. Answer ke number C. To do days work thoroughly. Laipusau. If we go to bed early, we shall able to. Answer A. Rise early next morning. Laipusan. Sleeping before midnight makes sleep. Answer number D. Most refreshing. Laipundru, the beginning of all language learning start with listening and speaking. Listening and speaking ke answer number A. Nang talay punyo of voice dash modulation ke answer number D. Laipopra. Reading disorder refers to as answer number C. Dyslexia. Laipondai ke answer number A. Responsible in choosing reading materials. Saupo, a reader reviewing. Answer ke number A. Skimming. Number of way to find the meaning of word quickly. Look. Answer number C. Look for the word using alphabet order. Nota ke number sapu aradu sanpo. Sapu ar when a reader is engaged in tense. Ke answer ke number D. Read in detail with specific aim and focus. Number 10. You are reporting to school sport event. Date and highlight of the event. Ke answer ke number D. Nata 11. What is the primary goal of writing across the curriculum movement? Ke answer ke number A. To treat writing as tool for learning and thinking in all subject area. Number 11. A campaign tries ke answer ke number C. Open a book, open a mind. Number 7. Good handwriting is developed when a teacher. Answer ke number D. Favorable attitude among the children. Number 7. Learners can write report cleaning. Answer ke number B. Enhance their writing skill. Sapupra kan sar kade number B. Utilizing learning resources. Sapundai kan sar kade number C. Student-centered and collaborative learning. Number Sanpau, the ability to recognize, combine and multiple smaller units. Answer kade number D. Phonological awareness. Sanpui hadu Rupau. Sanpui, which of the following is key factor for success of language? Kan answer number B, providing a language-rich environment. Sanpuar, Palaribok active point putri fast. Answer kade number D, peace while reciting. Sanpulai, a teacher conduct classroom discussion. Answer kade active listening. Kade number A. Sanpusau, a student underline important point. Answer kade number D, to identify key information. Sanpusan, in a listening speaking active a teacher. Answer kade number C, understand sequence and coherent. Number Sanpunru, a teacher gives an activity to student. She answer kade number C, provide detailed criteria for assessment. Nang tagan number Sanpunyo, in a poem about where the poet constant. Answer kade number D, they hope for peace amid destruction. Kan number Sanpupra, choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Kan number Sanpupra kade number B, where. Nangta Sanpundai, choose the correct sentence. Answer kade number C, he is senior to me. Number Sanrupau, he has a hoarse voice. Answer kade number C, nang taga environmental studies. Like Max kane. Kan number kandai puai resource environment studies are. Answer kade number B, nature, community and environment. Kan number kandai pu R, kan answer kade number C, classification. Kan number kandai pu lai, kan answer kade number A, farmer. Nang ta kandai pu sau, kan answer kade number B, visual resources. Kan number kandai pu san, kan answer kade number B, development of observation and classification skill. Kan number kandai pun riu, kan answer kade number D, identify learning gaps. Kan number kabak kandai punyo, reduce, reuse and recycle. Kan answer number D. Kandai pupra, kan answer kade number B, endangered plants and animals. Kandai kan answer kade B, shillong pig. Shispa kan answer kade number B, scarecrow fish consumption biodiversity through office. Nangta kan number shispa way, kan answer kade number B, grilled chicken, ponds ice and veggies. Shispa R hadu, shispa spau. Shispa R number C kade kan answer bamboo drip irrigation. Nangta shispa lai kan answer kade number B, producer. Shispa sau kan answer kade number C, calcium. Shispa san kan answer kade number D, government school. Shispa andriu kan answer kade number C, microorganism grow faster in warm condition. Number shispa nyo kan answer kade number B, holistic understanding of the environment and its issue. Shispa pra kan answer kade number C, linking classroom learning to life outside the school. Number shispa kandai kan answer kade number B, understanding the water cycle and plant growth. Shispa shipau kan answer kade number A, environmental studies EVS is subject. Nangta shispa khadway hadu sparpau. Sispa karway ka answer ka number B sensitive toward environment cooperation and respect diversity. Sispa R ka answer ka number A creativity. Sispa like answer ka number A the students are able to infer similarities and differences. Sispa sau kan answer ka number A skill. Sispa san ka answer ka number A by allowing students to share theirs. Nang ta sispa kan riu kan answer ka number B formative assessment. Sispa kan yau kan answer ka number B address difference learning styles. Sispa kat pra kan answer ka number D continuous uncomprehensive evaluation. Sispa kat kandai kan answer ka number D observation quiz and class work. Sispa pau kan answer ka number B quantitative assessment. Nang taga kasi sispa puwei hadu sispa arpunriu. Sispa puwei yakar kompen syongdor daga kemitu kansar ka number A man kasengi. Sispa puar kansar ka number B verb. Sispa pulai kansar ka number A tin lachong mother tongue. Sispa pusau kansar ka number A pen pro ka jobbing. Sispa pusan ka ansar ka number B lai du sausnem. Sispa punriu kansar ka number D ka jing yelekai. Nota sispa arpunyo hadu sispa lai pusau. Sispa arpunyo kansar ka C rempei. Sispa arpupra ka ansar ka number C mutely. Sispa arkondai kansar ka number B kuabit. Sispa lai pau kansar ka number D sandur. Sispa lai puwei ansar ka jing le kai sumha ka number A. Sispa lai puar ansar number D kilan nyapdeng kidon kaju ka keno. Sispa lai pulai don keno jur ki kentin kansar ka number B arjur. Sispa lai pusau kansar ka number B uknam karanti pat kasebudung. Sispa lai pusan hadu sispa sepuar. Sispa lai pusan kansar ka number A dakto. Sispa lai punriu kansar ka number B lai jaj. Sispa lai punyau kansar ka number C kumbandu mensim. Sispa lai pupra ka number D. Sispa lai pandai kansar number B keren spoon keren hok nadu donut. Sispa sok pau ansar ka number C arpu arjaj. Sispa sepuai kansar ka number B ukun long. Sispa sepuar kansar ka number B close and cushion. Sispa sepulai hadu sispa sanpau. Sispa sepulai kansar ka number B pa iki kena banwat jing tibhi. Sispa sepsau kansar number C banti bika jengmut jeng berkat jong kiwei. Sispa sepusan kansar number D nadu basdang hadu bakut kajing hikai. Sispa sepunriu kansar ka number C penki sentur. Sispa sepunyo kansar ka number D put ikidak pala ainong muna. Sapu pra kansar ka number D. Manipuri. Chispa sabhantai. Ka ansar kade number C. Pule nong muna. Chispa sanpau ka ansar kade number D. Discussion activity based method. Nang taga karo language. 121 answer number D. 122 answer number A. 123 answer number C. 124 answer number A. 125 answer number A. 126 answer number C. 127 answer number A. 128 answer number C. 129 answer number C. 130 answer number A. 131 answer number A. 132 answer number C. 133 answer number B. 134 answer number B. 135 answer number A. 136 answer number B. 137 answer number B. 138 answer number A. 139 answer number B. 140 answer number A. 141 answer number C. 142 answer number C. 143 answer number B. 144 answer number A. 145 answer number A. 146 answer number A. 147 answer number C. 148 answer number B. 149 answer number B. 150 answer number D.